Today I'll be showing you some more advanced F12 tricks and algorithms, including this case right here, which can be paired up like this. If you guys want to see the other videos in this series, feel free to click the card over here in the top right hand corner or the link in the video description. So in this case, you have this edge right here in the corner. So the edge color in the front lines up with this center, and these two colors on the top of the edge and the corner are different. So usually you'd have to pair it up and then rotate to insert it. But by using this algorithm, you can do it rotationless by doing F, reverse sexy, F prime to pair it up, and then you can just insert it as per normal. Just a quick tip for the finger tricks here. For the F move in the beginning, you can use your thumb to push down, and then you can do the whole algorithm with gripless. Next up, we have this case. So we have this sort of flipped pair on the right side that needs to go into the bottom left slot. So what you do is you move this corner over the slot where it needs to go, and you do this algorithm. R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, and that pairs it up. And you can just do U2, F prime to insert it. Once again, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime to pair it up, U2, F prime to insert it. For those of you who think that the finger trick at the end is a little bit hard, which means that it's hard to do the F prime move right here, you can do R prime, F prime, R, which may be a little bit more finger trick friendly to some people. So doing it fast will look something like this. And there's also the exact mirror case, which is the same thing, but instead of using your right hand, you use your left hand, like so. Next up, we have this case where you have this corner and this edge right here, which usually you'll just have to rotate, pair it up, and insert it from this angle. But you can also do this algorithm, which makes it rotationless. Wide R prime, U2, and you can do R2 to pair this up, U, another R2, U, R, and that will solve this pair. So now taking a closer look at the finger tricks, I usually start off like this with R prime, U2 prime with my left hand, R2, U with my index finger, R2, a U push, and R, to make it mostly gripless. And doing it fast looks something like this. So the first algorithm I showed was when you used F reverse sexy F prime to pair it up. I'm going to show you guys another case in which you can use the exact same algorithm. It's this case right here, where you have this pair where the colors on top line up, and it needs to go into this slot right here with the white sticker facing you. So you hold it from this angle and you do F, reverse sexy, F prime, and that sets it up to a 3-move insert. And doing it fast will look something like this. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.